Good morning, Facebook followers. David, Gulf Coast European here. Here we're with Dave, our technician. This Mercedes convertible top. Dave, tell us a little bit what we're doing here on this convertible.
Oh boy, replacing these solenoids gets pretty in depth. Actually, hold on. Once we open it up, actually, use that piece. Oh, never mind.
Looks a little complicated. You know what you're doing in here, right?
Nope, I have no idea. But that's when that schooling comes into play. But we're replacing this one, and then the main one, which I already have out here, is actually what operates the main top and makes it all work.
Man.
And then this guy will actually be sitting right in that spot, roughly, installed once I'm all done. And that's
Perfect.
actually the last step to do.
And I think you mentioned there's 11 cylinders in this car, right?
Yeah, just in this corner alone, there's 4. And this backside's got 2 on the left, 2 on the right, another 4, and then the last one on top that latches the top all in place.
So if you have any issues with your convertible top, come on down and see us and we'll get you working.